Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
In India, babies from Bollywood are a fresh phenomenon, but one such Bollywood boy who does internet rounds isn't exactly a baby anymore. There are two reasons why millions know her today. First, for her childhood, and second, for the person behind her present life, for what she is today and more so. Still to guess? We are talking about Mithuna Chakraborty, daughter of Mithuna Chakraborty, India's celebrity and veteran actor. What is so special about her, however? Well, Dashani isn't Mithuna's biological daughter, but a lot more than that. In her childhood, Mithuna had bailed her out of a garbage bin. Yeah, you read that right. And that cute baby here? Mithuna, who is renowned for his dance moves that won him the disco dancer sobriquet, had adopted this baby near a dumpster. The rescue story goes something like this according to a report. A leading daily Bengali once announced her family had abandoned a child and left her all alone near a garbage. Her had been heard by a few passers-by, and one of them took her home. The next day, Mithuna read the news and immediately spun across the city. He immediately expressed his wish for rescuers to adopt the baby. His wife, Yogita Bali, fully supported him in his noble endeavor, taking the baby's liking for an instant. The paperworks were finished, and they brought the baby home. He called her Dashani, cared well for her as his own daughter, and gave her the beautiful life she is leading today. Dashani has always been a daddy's girl, and Mithuna had left no stone unturned in her life to give her everything she needs. She is one of Mithuna's 4 daughters, and another 3 are his sons, so it's only normal that her dad and 3 brothers have pampered her a lot in her life. She is one of Mithuna's 4 daughters, and another one of 3 of her sons, so it's only normal that her daughter and 3 brothers have pampered her a lot in her life. He called her Dashani, cared well for her as his own daughter, and gave her the beautiful life she is leading today. Dashani has always been a daddy's daughter, and Mithuna has left no stone unturned in her life to give her everything she wants. Coming from a family that gave India one of its greatest superstars of all time, Dashani is definitely attached to the films. She's actually a diehard Salman Khan fan. She currently pursues an acting course at the prestigious New York Film Academy, according to reports. No surprises, right? After all, who else deserves this but Mithuna's daughter, right? We hope the day when she'll make her Bollywood debut isn't far away. After knowing about this noble deed, our respect for Mithuna has increased manifolds, and we are also grateful to him for giving such a beautiful daughter to his fans. Keep watching The Space on Mithuna Chakraborty for more news and stories.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.